How to tell if spark plugs in car have been changed. Determining whether the spark plugs in your car have been changed or not is an essential aspect of vehicle maintenance. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to tell if spark plugs in your car have been changed. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Consult maintenance records. The easiest way to check if spark plugs have been changed is to review your vehicle's maintenance records. 2. Check the manufacturer's recommended interval. Consult your car's owner's manual or the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. It will typically provide guidelines on when spark plug replacement is due based on mileage or time intervals. 3. Inspect the spark plug wires. If your car uses spark plug wires rather than coil-on-plug ignition, check their condition. Old or worn-out spark plug wires can indicate that the spark plugs may also need replacement. Look for signs of cracking, damage, or deterioration in the insulation. 4. Listen for engine misfires. One of the primary symptoms of worn-out spark plugs is engine misfires. If your engine is running unevenly, producing a rough idle, or you feel a noticeable lack of power during acceleration, it could be due to worn spark plugs. 5. Examine the spark plug's appearance. If you have access to the spark plugs, you may need to remove the engine cover or air filter housing. Physically inspect them. Here's what to look for. Fouling. If the spark plugs are covered in soot or carbon deposits, they may not be firing properly. This can result from a rich air-fuel mixture, oil leakage into the combustion chamber, or other issues. Worn electrodes. Check the electrodes, the tips of the spark plugs. If they appear worn down, rounded, or eroded, it's a sign that the spark plugs have been in use for a long time and may need replacement. 6. Check for corrosion and rust. Inspect the spark plug threads and the area where the spark plug wire attaches for signs of corrosion, rust, or other damage. Corrosion can affect the electrical connection and lead to poor spark. 7. Check for oil or coolant fouling. If you notice that the spark plugs are coated with oil or coolant, it can indicate a more serious problem, such as a leaking gasket or a cracked cylinder head. In this case, not only should you replace the spark plugs, but you should also address the underlying issue. 8. Observe fuel efficiency. Worn spark plugs can negatively impact fuel efficiency. If you notice a sudden drop in your car's miles per gallon, MPG, and other potential causes have been ruled out, it's worth considering spark plug replacement as part of your troubleshooting process. In conclusion, regularly checking and replacing spark plugs at the manufacturer recommended intervals is essential for maintaining your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance and attention to the condition of your spark plugs can go a long way in preserving your car's overall health and longevity. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.